Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this mini CarPlay adapter called the Ultimate Co-Pilot from Amazon to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, I'll open it up. Comes with a user manual, CP1 USB adapter from USB-A to C if needed. This is the mini CarPlay, very small. It's got the protective cap. We'll take that off. So this plugs into the USB port in your vehicle that's equipped with CarPlay already. If you have the Type-C for your car, then you have this adapter that's been provided and you can plug it in to your vehicle this way. So let's plug it in and give it a try. Okay, I'm in my vehicle now. This is my USB port here. You can see it here, barely in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in first. I have it plugged in now. We'll go ahead and start the vehicle. It should light up. Okay, you see it lit up there. It's automatically connected to the CarPlay, and you can see here already that you have the CarPlay displayed onto my vehicle screen. Have access to Amazon Music, Waves, my phone, and so forth. So very, very easy. So the first time I plugged it in, you do have to pair it with your phone. I did that initially because I'm recording using my phone, but it's a very simple process. Once you plug it in, you'll just receive a code and you just verify and accept that code, and then it's paired. And then when you turn your vehicle off and leave it, and the screen goes to sleep. So when you return back to your vehicle, turn it on, it will automatically pair with your phone, assuming that your phone is in the vehicle. And you could only use this with vehicles that are equipped with CarPlay. I like this CarPlay because of its very small size. Does not take up a lot of room. Very beneficial, and not having to tie up your iPhone tethered to a cord. So I highly recommend this mini CarPlay adapter, the Ultimate Co-Pilot.